of love-loving May May. I can't wait to see what they look like. I'm a little nervous because I don't know. They be jacking them up here sometime at PetSmart, so I'm always a little worried when I walk in these doors.
I'm sorry.
That is cute. Hi, Lovey. Hey, girl. Hi, May May. Hey. 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 Hi, puppies. Hey. Get down. Get down. Say hey, my little puppies. Aren't you cute? Look at that. Get back. Get back. Go. Move. 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 Look at a Lovey and May May. I'm like, how am I supposed to drive with them? I didn't bring their kennel or anything, but they want to be right in my lap. Like, come on. I gotta drive. I gotta get them back home. Jeez. Look. The one thing I can say is that this was one expensive trip to the spa for these puppies. It is so expensive keeping up with your animals, but they're like your kids, so, and they surely needed it. Ain't that right? Ain't that right, Love Muffin? All right, so to the house we go, guys. To the house we go. You guys are hungry? They act like they've been starving. Lovey, you gonna let Major have some? Huh? Will you allow him to have some too? Huh? I'm hungry, you guys. Starving like Marvin. Even though I did eat, I had my bacon and eggs this morning. I'm hungry now. So I'm at Panera. I'm gonna see if they have some kind of soup. I was thinking like a potato and broccoli soup and cheese or something good. Like, I don't know. I feel like having soup today. Uh-oh. So I'm gonna see what they have. And then I hate that I left my camera at home. So I'm vlogging on my phone, which is a disaster. There we go. So yeah, I'm gonna see what I want to get and I'll check back in. Oh my God, you guys, look at this. We got cherry pasties, cheese pastries, chocolate pastry, pecan rolls, pecan braid. Wow. Blueberry stones. I mean, oh my God, this stuff looks amazing. So I got my food, guys, and it looks yummy. I have the baked potato soup and a chicken salad sandwich with a whole apple, and this drink that I'm drinking is called prickly peach hibiscus fresca. Really good. I like it because it's not that sweet, and it just don't have a lot of sugar, so I like that. But I'm about to dive in. Oh, and I got a little pastry, the cheese pastry, so num num time. That was delicious. Excuse me, nice and full now. I can really take a nap right about now, but unfortunately that's not how my life is set up. I have to head back so I can start getting ready. First I better go get some gas, because if I don't, who gonna come pick me up? Raise your hand. Comment below if you gonna come pick me up if I run out of gas. Don't leave your girl hanging. I'll do it for you. Alright guys, so while I was at PetSmart, I ended up getting them a big bag of dog food, Royal Cane, and I get the adult because their Levy is like 4 years old and Major is 3. So we got that, and I got them a few little toys. They have the cutest stuff in there right now. Look how cute this is. These are my colors that I'm going to be using in my new house. So I thought this was perfect. But it's a little toy that just kind of make noise. Major loves to take stuff and toilet paper, paper towels. And then they have this little play with me toy. You like that one? You like that one, May? You want that one? And what else they got in here? Oh, I had to get this little bag. Well, not the bag. That's not what I want to show you guys right now. But look how cute this is. This little little cushion bed for them. Got a little puppy on the front. It has blue, going with my little theme that we got going on. Major is gonna be excited about his new bed. I threw his old one out with the old and in with the new. And then I got this little cute little bag. It says this bag helps pets in need. So I got this bag. It was 99 cents. So I thought it was cute. So it's gonna work like this. Once we leave, oh, I forgot to show you guys this too. I got them a dog crate. It looks more like this. This is what it looks like. And they both will be able to fit in here, because once we move next Friday, the dogs are gonna go on the truck with Alonzo, and then they'll be in the crate. So I had to get a new one of those because the one that they're in now is just too big. They looking like, what we doing? Y'all get out of grown folks' business. Go get out of grown folks' business. All in my business. Come on, Lovey. Y'all know where she's trying to go. She got her little friend outside. She be trying to get to. Hold up. Hold on. And there she goes. She'll be dirty in about 10 minutes. Give her 5. Look at Major. Why does he do that? Walk, run with one leg up. Sometimes he do and sometimes he don't. And I almost forgot to show you guys their harness. Lovey got a new harness. So when they're on the truck, they'll have that and they can get out and walk, you know, with the leash on and use the bathroom when they do their stops. And that's about all I got today for them. This is too cute. Play with me. He loves little toys like that. So that's what we got from PetSmart, guys. You guys, you know what I just noticed? That these toys are made by Ellen DeGeneres. Like, I didn't know she had a doggy collection, a puppy collection. That is so cute, and I love this stuff. She has a lot of cute stuff for the puppies. It's very expensive, but really cute. The little clothes they had were too cute. But I said, you know what, I'm gonna wait till I get settled in my place, and then I can start really shopping for them. But it's hot outside, you guys. I put on this sweatsuit this morning because it was cold. Of course, our weather is bipolar, and now it's almost 80 degrees. Like, I'm tired. How many times do I have to tell you guys that I'm tired of our bipolar weather? Anyways, I'm gonna change my top. At least I'm gonna put on another shirt up under here to go pick up some kids from school. But look at, I'm in my room, and look at all of these boxes. Talking about bittersweet. So yesterday too, I don't think I told you guys this, but the buyer, she came over and they did a final walkthrough yesterday. But I think I told you guys that she was interested in buying some stuff from me. And I ended up selling her a bunch of stuff. So I made some good money yesterday when she came by. I was a little weirded out at the fact that they wanted to do a final walkthrough of my house while we were still here, like living. But I guess it all worked out because she was able to see some of the stuff that she wanted to keep and that I was willing to sell. So it worked out. I made some good money yesterday, and I could use that money to purchase some new stuff for my new house. What else did I want to tell you guys? There's so much. The days are just flying by now at this point. It's like we have like one week left to go. Like it's crazy. Next Friday is gonna be it. It's gonna be it. I've been a little emotional. I've been cried a little bit today. I've been doing a lot of crying lately because I know that things are changing. I'm excited, but things are changing, and it's gonna be different. It's just different, you know. And I'm just ready to get it over with, get the ball rolling so that we can get settled, and I could definitely be settled by the holidays. That's my goal, is to really be settled by the holidays. Definitely I will be unpacked and settled by, I would say, the first or second week of November, because I'm not one to like stack boxes in here and corners. I like to put stuff up. I want to start living life clutter free without all the extras. So I'm just ready, guys. I'm ready. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, go get it. Go get it, man. Watch where he go, guys. Watch, watch, watch. You're gonna see him go right here.